Hello there, Monoteg speaking. Here's another video on monetization formats. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. Do you want a native format users will love but still need maximum profit? No problem. We have the solution. We present you the great and powerful Vignette Banner, a subtle and user-friendly format with CTR that can go up through the roof. It is a small banner with a noticeable close button and minimum text, quite similar to Google Vignette ads. Despite its nativeness, the Vignette boasts exceptional performance. Its CTR is 60% higher compared to a traditional banner. But that's not all. Here are some other benefits you can count on with this format. Vignette Banner works equally well on every platform and operating system, and with sites of any niche. There are no restrictions, which means you will get a full audience reach. If that's not enough, here's more. Vignette Banner comes with an integrated anti-ad block solution, which leads to higher ad visibility. This will increase your chances for higher profits. And it allows website owners to perfectly balance high revenue with quality user experience, given it is a neat and user-friendly format. To better understand how real clients use Vignette Banner to monetize their traffic, visit our blog and read the case studies we prepared for you. You will see how Vignette works magic with all sorts of sites, anime, news, education, cinema, sports. Check the video description for links. At this point, you are probably wondering how to get this format installed on your website. It's simple. Once your website is verified, you must create an ad tag by clicking the Add Zone button. Then, you need to choose the Vignette Banner ad type. Click the Get Tag button to insert the code into your website's header, and that's it. Your visitors will now see a native vignette window when they browse your site. Or, you can go with multi-tag that allows you to integrate 5 ad formats at once, including Vignette Banner, all with only one code. Want to see more videos on monetization formats? Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell.